Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Smartsheet Dashboard in 2025. If you're a project manager, team leader, or just someone looking to organize your tasks more efficiently, Smartsheet's Dashboard is a game changer. It's an intuitive tool that helps you visualize data, track progress, and collaborate in real time. Let's get started with the basics. First things first, you'll need to log into your Smartsheet account. Head over to the Smartsheet website, enter your credentials, and once you're in, click on the Dashboard tab in the main menu. It's usually front and center for easy access. Now, in 2025, Smartsheet has rolled out some cool updates, like enhanced AI-driven insights, so keep an eye out for those smart suggestions as you navigate. Next, let's customize your dashboard to make it work for you. Click the Edit button in the top right corner. Here, you can add widgets, think charts, calendars, or task lists by dragging and dropping them into place. For example, if you're tracking a project, add a Gantt chart widget to see timelines at a glance. Don't forget to adjust the layout. You can resize sections or rearrange them to prioritize what matters most. One of the best features is collaboration. Click the Share icon to invite team members. You can set permissions so others can view, edit, or comment on your dashboard. This is perfect for remote teams in 2025, with new integration options for tools like Microsoft Teams or Slack. Finally, save your changes and explore the automated reports. Smartsheet now offers predictive analytics, which can forecast potential delays based on your data. Pretty awesome, right? By mastering these steps, you'll boost your productivity in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.